Welcome! Today I'm with Kia Sportage and I'll show you how you can turn on the rear fog lights. At the first we have to grab our key and put it into the ignition switch and then move it 2 times. Right now just take a look on this knob. We have to put it on the last position and then press it once to the bottom section. Bang! And they are turned on. If you want to turn them off, just make it another time. So that's basically how you can turn on the rear fog lights on the Kia Sportage. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.